Windy day, beautiful, beautiful windy day. Oh guys, I know it's so windy because there's the ocean right there. That's the ocean. Look, the wires are there. That's the sea breeze, guys. Oh my god, it feels so good. Curry chicken for dinner. Miss Bev still in the kitchen. Let's see how much I'm sweating. I'm sweating so much. Look at my dress. My dress is so wet, so humid. But I made some curry chicken. Beautiful, still bubbling, just slowly simmering. You want it to cook in its juices. And we're gonna have some pumpkin and yellow yam. Didn't want to do too much. So we have pumpkin, and here's yellow yam. So that's for dinner. Remember, when you're cooking yam, yam is something that turns black easily, or dark brown, or whatever we call it. So we want to make sure we put a little bit of cooking oil in the water so that it keeps its natural color, all right? So there you have it, guys. Miss Bev enjoying her time here in Jamaica, doing her own cooking here, loving it, because I put what I want in it, and so I don't have to worry about allergies. All right, my people, make it a good one by choice. Sabbath hours is coming down, and so I just want to finish up, have something to eat, and call it a day. Have some papaya. All right, my people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share a video or two. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. Look at me, look at me. I'm gonna shower, guys, and take it off. My family, look at the ship coming in. Look at the ship coming in. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. We're sitting right here on the porch, looking at the ocean, looking at the ship coming in. Wow. It's out at sea, pushing in, pushing in. Just made a turn to face us. Awesomeness. Heading to dock in Falmouth. Great white. Look out, they're also taking a picture. Who's that taking a picture? Everyone catching her picture too. It's very windy, very beautiful. Ocean breeze, guys. Awesome. There you have it. It's moving so slowly. There you have it, guys. There you have it. Coming in, coming in.